upon a time, there were 3 sickly pigs. Pig that too. To pay for Pig 1's funeral, Pig 2 had to use her penicillin money, and then she died. Now Pig 3 was stuck with Pig 2's loan, because he was the co-signer. This new burden left Pig 3 so poor, and he lost his house to the wolf, and had to raid his piglet's college saving fee. Then Pig 3 died, and his piglet was forced to an abandoned microwave. Life insurance should have saved those pigs.
Then why do people need life insurance?
People like to insurance.
What else?
People live too long.
Anything else?
People are being disabled or getting sick.
What is life insurance? The concept of life insurance started with the simple act of passing the hat, similar to the abuloy in the Philippines. By sharing the burden, these groups were able to share risk and do cooperatively what would be difficult to accomplish individually. This process is called cooperative risk sharing. It is always associated with death. Life insurance is formally defined as a legal agreement where an insurance company agrees to pay a sum of money or a cash benefit to a beneficiary when an event covered by the policy occurs. Life insurance takes the place of the income you provide your family independence. Did you know that people may have different payment amounts of premium? What is a premium? A life insurance plan, the insured makes payment called premium. This proceed risk will depend on a number of factors such as age, medical and health conditions, smoking, habits, hobbies, and occupation among others. The higher the proceed risk, the more expensive the premium gets. This process that determines your payment based on a number of factors such as age, medical and health conditions, smoking habits, hobbies, and occupation among others is called underwriting. Let us proceed to the main types of life insurance. Two categories of life insurance are term life and permanent life. Both types provides a cash payout upon your death. Permanent life combines that with investment features so the policy accumulates a cash value. Term life is much cheaper and also much simpler. Term life covers you for a specific amount of time, usually between 10 to 30 years. Permanent life covers your whole life as long as you pay the premium. Which do you prefer, term life or permanent life? We learned a lot about life insurance, but what is the purpose of life insurance? What is the importance of having a life insurance? How are you benefited? 1. Guaranteed protection of your family. 2. Financial security at old age. And lastly, earlier a policy is purchased, higher the investment value. For further explanations about life insurance, let us watch our interview from Manulife PH.
Okay, go na po.
What is your full name po?
Let me introduce myself. I'm Debbie Bondok Boy, and I am the operations manager of the training department of Manulife. So, what else do you want to know?
How many years have you been working here in this bank?
In this institution, this financial services institution, okay, around 4 years.
What is a life insurance?
What's a life insurance company?
Yes po.
Okay, well, right now we just don't call it a life insurance company, but it's a financial services company wherein we provide services for wealth management, also for retirement, education, and protection for the future of our clients.
Let's go po sa short history ng branch. History ng branch. When was the company established?
Well, this is an international company. It started in Canada in 1887. And then we had expansion in Asia in 1897. And this year, we're celebrating our 110 years here in the Philippines.
Who is the founder of the company?
Well, I will tell you about the first president of Manulife. His name is Sir John MacDonald. He's actually the Prime Minister, first Prime Minister of Canada. But this is a stock corporation.
Mission po of company.
The mission and the vision of the company. Well, first the vision is to be the most professional financial services organization in the world and to provide strong, reliable, trustworthy, and forward-thinking solutions for our clients' most significant financial decisions.
Yung pong goal po ng company for people na po ng life insurance.
Definitely would like to provide the best financial services to our clients.
How many branches do the company have and where it is located?
How many branches? We actually have a lot of branches here in the Philippines. I'm not really sure about the numbers, but we have in Manila, we also have Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Operations po. How do you treat your client?
Definitely, as if you have heard about the vision of the company, we'd like to be the most professional financial services. Therefore, we would always want to be the best. And one of our values is to be one of our values is real value to customers. So we really focus on customer service.
Are there any rules and regulations in acquiring services?
Definitely, just to give the best to our clients.
What are the requirements for applicants in inquiring?
Inquiring, or maybe as long as we have what we call underwriting rules, and we accept them based on the requirements that we have. Normally, all insurance companies will have their own underwriting rules.
How do you use the money you collected from the premium of client?
How do we use? Well, any institutions, we always want their money to grow. So basically, there are investments that we do, both here in the Philippines and international.
In this company, how do you manage to cope up with your competitors in life insurance?
Well, we're the fastest growing insurance company in 2016. It simply means that we have good people, we have good leadership, good management. All these things, marketing included.
How do you recommend people to apply in a life insurance?
What do you mean, how do we recommend?
I mean is, ano po yung may recommend nyo? Bakit kailangan po nilang mag-apply sa life insurance?
Definitely, it's your preparation. It's one's preparation for the future. Life insurance is not all about, of course, the demise of the breadwinner, but it's actually the preparation for the family. At the same time, as I've mentioned to you, we also have wealth management services wherein everyone, I believe, should prepare for their retirement, for the education of their kids. So far, really our focus is to help people for their future.
Okay, how do you compare this company from other life insurance companies?
When you say comparison, in terms of products, I believe that we have the best products, we have the best people, and at the same time, it's more on our focus as an insurance company. And definitely everyone would always want to be the number one, right? So we're proud to say that we're number one in terms of market capitalization.
Okay, what are the common hindrances of applicants regarding to the applying to life insurance?
Health, because we have what we call the qualities of a good prospect or a good good client. So when you say hindrances, are you referring to the application of a
Yes,
client?
the process of
Well, hindrances, we just don't accept anyone in the life insurance industry. We have, as I've mentioned to you, these are what we call evaluation, health evaluations, or even financial evaluation and financial risk.
about those the hindrances. What are the requirements of the client to have a life insurance?
Well, definitely you should have money.
Money.
You should afford the services, but it's not really the priority because what we would want really is to help people. So basically, we look at the budget, we look at also the health of the person, the avocation. We have, well, as I mentioned, health is physical, and even the financial underwriting. We also have that, including the occupation of the individual.
Okay, what are the common challenges that this company faced?
Common challenges will always be marketing, will always be people, and then of course the mindset of individuals, and then the economy is part of building a company or an industry.
Okay, what are the common problems of this company has been experiencing in the past?
Well, common problems similar to any corporation. It's about business again. Are there ups and downs so far? We're doing well. We're doing so well, very well, as a company.
Okay, what is the biggest problem you experienced or you faced in these past 3 years
As a training officer,
as a company?
as a company, I really can't think of one that the company wasn't able to solve. Because as I mentioned to you, we have good leadership and management.
So, what are the future plans that this company?
Future plans to be one of the top management. Actually, it's not a plan, it's a goal, it's an objective. So basically the plans, well, these are internal information. But definitely what the goal of the company is to be one of the top life insurance company here in the Philippines.
And what are the services that the company may offer to clients in the future?
In the future, well, we have the same services. We just have to look into different products, and also, especially now that the economy of the Philippines is booming. So you probably have heard about the stock market and also bonds. So we are into this kind of services.
Bali, yun lang po yung mga
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
O ngayon ako na magtatanong. Ano naman natutunan